Hello guys, I'm Ty. You may be wondering why you're watching this video. Well, I'm looking for go-getters who's looking for freedom. It could be time freedom, travel freedom, financial freedom, or just legacy freedom. So many times on social media, or we just hear people say that they'll do anything for their family, or if they would have heard about it, they would have done it. They would have invested in certain different platforms. So here's your chance to stop investing in quick fixes like susu boards, flip boards, and learn how to make your money make money like the rich people do. I'm going to be honest with you. This process may not happen right away, but think about if you could set the children of our future free with the knowledge you may have gained. I'm looking for a group of study buddies that's willing to go on this journey with me. I'm trying to change our children's lives. What about you?